Werk96 fans, welcome back to another episode of Chassis 001. Previously the car was at our paint shop, Chris Brigovic, and now the car is here. And don't forget, today is another day in paradise. Come on in. And as you can see, here are the new painted 18-inch Carrera wheels, super lightweight and perfect for unsprung mass and performance driving. Come on, I show you the current situation of the car. Okay, as you can see, we started with the rear axle. All the parts that you see here are new or refurbished and are now back in the perfect condition. Come a little closer and I can show you the rear axle. As you can see, everything looks perfect, brand new. This part is refurbished, perfectly in condition. All the parts here, like the brake disc and these parts, are completely new. As you can see, the old stock suspension is still in the car and it will be replaced for our new suspension from our Werk96 cooperation with KW suspension. Come on over to the side, I will show you our new brake discs and calipers. As you can see, we are driving at the rear axle 330mm brake discs, steel, and we have a 4-piston brake caliper with really special brake pads. It's the Paget Street Plus. I can recommend it for all the cars. And as you can see, so many parts are new. All the inside stuff is completely new. Then you can see here the water tank is completely new. We have the engine mounts, they are completely new. So everything is prepared for the perfect performance car. And also, all our coolers in the front are larger and new. Okay guys, so what are the next steps of Chassis 001? We are going to the front axle. We will install the 6-piston big brake kit from us, 350mm brakes with our Paget Street Plus brake pads in the front. Also, we are replacing the headlights for completely new ones with LED lights. And next step is what all you guys are waiting for, the engine build. Next week we will have the video shoot, so stay tuned. And we are very proud of our new speedometer. As you know, the 4.3 liter is revving over 8000 RPMs and we have two special things with our speedometer. The dials from 5 to 8 are getting bigger so that you have the perfect precision view on the numbers. And the second one is the needles are only for the 4.3 liter white. So guys, sorry for the short video this time, but as you can see, Chassis 001 cannot be built in 1 week. But I have two great upgrades for this car. Our customer decided he needs more power. First, we will get a transmission with shorter gear ratio. It's developed in-house, and as we know, it's the only one in the whole world. Nobody did it before. And we will get a longer 6th gear, so we will have the perfect compromise between dynamic and comfort. And upgrade number 2 for the engine, he will get sport camshafts. It will be revving freer to 8000 RPM. It will be great, great, great. See you guys.